Welcome to Preschool Games for Kids. Find the matching pairs and connect them. A, D, G, I. Matching game. G, D, A, E. Matching game. I, F, A, J. Trace a line between the two. Which number is bigger? 9. Great job! Which number is bigger? 7. Wonderful! Which number is bigger? 6. Wonderful! Which number is bigger? 9. Wonderful! Which number is bigger? 4. Wonderful! Which number is bigger? Can you guess what time it is? It's 1:30. Can you guess what time it is? It's 1:30. Can you guess what time it is? It's 11:30. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Fishing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Help the penguin get home. Blue, red, green, orange, purple, blue, red, yellow, orange. Draw as many circles and squares as you'd like. Circle. Help Julian build the rocket to escape the planet. Help Julian build the rocket to escape the planet. Amazing!
C.
Amazing! Great job! Match the shapes in the sandbox. Circle. Star. Oval. Awesome! Match the shapes in the sandbox. Hexagon. Diamond. Pentagon. Great job! Match the shapes in the sandbox. One. Amazing! Two. 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 Click on the screen to discover the shapes. Circle, square, rectangle, pentagon, triangle, diamond, oval, rectangle, circle, pentagon, oval, star, square, oval, circle, pentagon. 1, 1, 6, 4, 7, 7, 3, 3, 1, 6, 5. K, Q, K, N, D, W, M, V, D, P, V. Complete more adventures to discover new toys.